Okay, here we are with a really super fun assignment. It's more number patterns, but today you are creating your own number patterns. Okay, so you're going to create one number pattern here, one here. So on each row going across, you'll have a different number pattern, okay? So in the end, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different number patterns. Now, let's talk about how to create a number pattern. So you could think in your head, just pick a number that you want to start with. Like, I want to start with 4. Okay, let's start with 4. There we go. Okay. And I want to skip 3. Okay, so there's 4, and then 1, 2, 3, skip. Okay, and then put that. And then you have to skip 3. 1, 2, 3, put a gem. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, put a gem. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, put a gem. Okay? 1, 2, 3, put a gem. And then when you write out these numbers, it is going to be amazing. It's going to be a number pattern. So let's see. I'm going to move this up a little bit like this. And let's write down the numbers. 4 is the first one. What's the next one? 8. 12. 16. 20. 24. Okay. So there's a rule for this pattern, and I can tell what it is. So 4, we're getting bigger, right? So it's plus. 4 plus what equals 8? Does anyone know? 4 plus 4. Okay, so I'm going to write that down here and see if that's true. So it could be a plus 4 pattern. Does anyone know? Does this work if we do 8 plus 4? Does it equal 12? Let's do that. So 8, and let's count on 4 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, it works for that. Let's see if it works for 12 to 16. If we add 4 to 12, will we get 16? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh my goodness. How about 16 to 20? Add 4 to 16. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, can you add 4 to 20 and see if it makes 24? Count with your fingers if you need to. Okay, let's see. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Woo, this is a plus 4 pattern. Now, it was super easy using those gems, wasn't it, to make a plus 4 pattern? That was cool. Should we do another one? Should we do a decreasing one together? Okay, so we know when we think about the rule for that one, it'll be a minus. And you don't have to worry about writing the rules today. I just wanted to do that for fun. Okay, what number should we start with? Let's start with, should we pick a really tricky number to start with? Let's start with 58. Why not, right? Pick a tricky one. And then I want to go, oh, I want to do a diagonal like this. What do you think about that? Okay. Now we have to count how many squares we're skipping in between. Ready? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 squares. Let's see if that happens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that did happen. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's cool. So each time I was skipping 10 squares. And we could even put one more in here, right? Can we do another? So when you do your pattern and you put on your gems, you want to make sure, you want to double check to make sure it's a pattern the whole time. Like how I just counted to make sure it was 10 in between each of my gems. And it was, there was 10 squares in between each of my gems. Okay, so this pattern would be what? It'd be 3, 14, 25, 36. Oh, wait, but you know what? Here I am making a mistake again. We said we were going to start with 58, so I'm going to actually take these ones off. We said we were going to start with 58 and decrease. Okay, so we're going to go that way instead. 58, 47, 36, 25, 14, 3. That's a pretty cool pattern. Okay, so your job today is to play around with us and have some fun. So fill in these lines with patterns that you create. Remember, each row will be a different pattern. All right, have some fun with us. I think you will.